Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making this sumptuous Nigerian fried rice. Lovelies, if you know how to cook, okay, gada, let's cook this fried rice together. Honestly, it's been a long time, and I would say this is the first time I am making a full video of cooking fried rice from beginning to the end. And lovelies, you cannot wait to see what we are about to make here. So these are all my vegetables. I just chopped the carrots and I have my orange bell pepper. And yeah, what is fried rice without all these vegetables? What is fried rice without these vegetables? And the green bell pepper. This one is just going to add color to the rice. Everybody cooks their fried rice differently, but for mine, I make sure I add all these crunchy bell peppers. The orange bell pepper is just gonna give it a nice aroma and also add a beautiful color to the rice. All you have to do is chop it and we are good to go. The orange, the green, the yellow, and that's it. We are making a very colorful fried rice. And again, what is fried rice without onion? Not just onion, purple onions. Oh yes, that's it. And then my spring onions, this is like the icing on the cake. This will be the last thing I'm going to be adding to the fried rice. So lovelies, what is fried rice without assorted something like the beef? So some people use chicken liver, some people use beef. I'm just adding beef, chopped beef. Alright lovelies, this video is proudly sponsored by Useluck on Amazon. I'm going to be using their pot to make this sumptuous fried rice, and it came as a full set which I'll be unboxing and showing you. The pot is non-stick. Yes, it is non-stick, and you know how difficult it can be to cook fried rice or jollof rice without it burning. So some people prefer baking it, but I usually don't like baking my food. I like cooking it in a pot. So if you want a good quality pot that allows you to cook fried rice or jollof rice without burning, this pot is your best plug. It's non-stick and everything you need to set it up comes with it. And the pot also has different colors. This is the cream color and you can choose any color you want. So this is me trying to form as if I can fix it, but not lie. I had to call the original fixer, my husband. He fixes things. I just called him because I wanted my life to be easier. I cannot come and be stressing my life. He always comes through for me. So the pot is fixed. That is it. And we're going to be cooking the rice. I already washed the pot, and here is my chicken broth. I just sieved the chicken broth, and here I'm going to be using just maybe slightly above 1 pound, because the whole pack there is 2 pounds of long grain parboiled rice. I just added like half of it and just a little tiny bit, and then I'm gonna be washing the milky thing out of it. So I washed it again and again, and please don't blame me. I love washing rice and making sure it is clean and ready to be cooked. Then I'm gonna be putting it in the chicken broth and allow it to cook. All right lovelies, let's sauce our vegetables. I'm gonna be putting just a little oil on the frying pan, and first I'm going to be adding the purple onions. All right, just a little diversion here. So these are the fruits. I'm going to be making fruit berries. I love fruit salad. So all the berries here, the raspberry, the blackberries, and the strawberries, all together, we're going to be making the berries fruit salad. And back to our cooking. This is the onions slightly sauteed in oil. Next, I'm going to be adding my chopped beef. And here is our rice. You can see the non-stick pot is behaving here. It is behaving. And yeah, I'm just gonna be stirring it together and adding all the vegetables. First I added my carrot, and then I went ahead to add all the chopped bell peppers. And next I'm gonna be adding some of my spices. You all know I don't like Maggi or seasoning cubes because they contain monosodium compounds and they are not healthy for me. It may be okay for you, but not for me. I make sure I use enough onions and salt in moderation, and other seasonings I can control. What I can control, I control. So this is all of it ready, and we're gonna be adding it to the rice, stirring it up together, and our fried rice is almost ready. And then this is grilled chicken, and most of the oil drained out because I grilled it. And here our fried rice. Ooh, bon appetit. This fried rice went to Harvard and came back because I'm the one eating it. I cooked it, so it's for me. Those who helped us in the kitchen will be the first to eat. Whoever did not help us will not eat at all. So my husband gave me so much support, especially with setting up the pot. And yes, he's gonna be the first partaker of this rice. Next are the kiddos, and I'm serving it hot for them. I hope you enjoyed my little video. The link to this pot will be in the video description. Go ahead and grab it on Amazon. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed today's video, and also tell me other food you would like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good celebration for the new year, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.